Look at this here. This is the beginning of all the contrails, where they start out with them. This one up there just started laying down a contrail or a chemtrail, and see this road over here is going this way. That's 309 southbound that direction. So they have to be coming from the east. Right up there. Plane coming along. Just started laying the contrail down. This is about the beginning of it here. Just about outside the city of Philadelphia, maybe around Montgomery County, lower Montgomery County, eastern Montgomery County. I'm gonna find that guy in there again. Here he is. He just started up there. He just started laying that contrail out. He's just about here in Winmore. But probably more like over in the far eastern part of Montgomery County, Philadelphia, PA. You're going east to west with these contrails. This is LaSalle High School where we're at. They all started right here. And it's just clouding up the sky, I guess. Yeah. Basically going east and northeast to southwest. Well, talk to you later.